So today I shall discuss Euler's method. Okay. So first, solving Euler's method. First, we know what is the formula of Euler's method. Okay. So formula of Euler's method is what you will see: yn plus one equal to yn plus h into f of xn comma yn. You will see this one. So first one, yes. So here h is the increment. Okay, so this one will be the equal increment h. So first here in the given question you see dy dx equal to what? Y minus x divided by y plus x, and y of 0 equal to 1. So find y approximately for x equal to 1, and here h value is given. So here h is 0.2, and here our aim to find out the value of y of 1 actually. So find y approximately for x equal to 1 means y of x. So y of x is what? Y of x, so x value is 1, so our aim to find out y of 1. So first, given that you see dy dx equal to y minus x divided by y plus x, so this is what? This is the function of xy. F of x comma y means function of xy. So next, what is our aim? Our aim here, find out the x naught value is what, y naught value is what. So I have written here x, so this is x naught. Okay, so x naught equal to here 0, and y naught is 1 because y of 0 equal to 1. So this is y of 0 means y of x naught equal to y naught. So x naught is 0, so y naught is 1. Okay, so here each value is directly given because you consider each value is 0.2. Okay, so next formula is y n plus 1 equal to yn plus h into f of xn comma yn. Next we make the table xn y value. So for x value we write x naught. Okay, next x naught value is what? 0. Next equal increment will be what? 0.2. So next x1 means what? X naught plus h. So 0 plus h is 0 plus 0.2. So 0 plus 0.2 will be 0.2. Next x2 will be what? Next again 0.2 increment, so this is 0.4. Next increment is 0.6, 0.8, and when we stop here, when we get value is 1. Similarly, y naught value will be, we know already, 1. Okay, so next our aim is find out the value of y1. So how to get y1? So y1 equal to, you see, y1 equal to, here one relation is Euler's method is yn plus 1 equal to yn plus h into f of xn comma yn. So here you substitute yn plus 1. So here n value you just here write, n is here, so 0, so y1. So y1 equal to y0 plus h into f of x0 y0. So here in we calculate here y1 equal to y0 plus h into f of x0 comma y0. Next you substitute the value of y naught from the given letters. So y naught is 1, h is given 0.2, and f of x naught comma y naught. So f of x naught comma y naught is what? F of x naught is 0, y naught is 1. So this is y minus x. So our second element is what? 1. 1 minus 0 divided by 1 plus h. So in this way we calculate y1. So y1 means y of 0.2. Next we calculate similarly y2. So similarly, how to get y2? So when n value is 1, then y2. So you just substitute n equal to 1. So y2 equal to y1 plus h into f of x1 comma y1. So similarly substitute y1. y1 already just we get this one 1.2. So h value is 0.2. Then f of x1 comma y1. x1 is this value. x1 is 0.2 and y1 1.2. And similarly, f of x comma y value is what? Y minus x divided by y plus x. Then after calculation we get in this way. In this way, y3, y4, y5 we calculate. Okay. So y3, y. So here you see, ultimately we get what? Up to our aim, find out y of 1. So up to y5 you see y of 1, and when you calculate then you will get the value 1.5966. So finally you can write, therefore y of 1 equal to, we get this 1.5966. Okay. So next one is what you see. This one may be given or may not be given. You see, Runge's formula means third order. Means Runge Kutta, this is, we know second order and fourth order, and this is the third order. Just you will remember this one. This is the third order Runge Kutta method formula is what. So this is same way, dy dx equal to function of xy, then y of x naught equal to y naught is as follows. Then we know the all the value of k1, k2, k3, and we here up to k3. You will not write k4. Okay, I have written k4, so you cut this one. Up to k3 you write. So k1 value is h into f of x naught comma y naught. K2 value is h into f of x naught plus h comma y naught plus k1. K3 is h into f of x naught plus h y naught plus k2. Okay, and finally we find out the value of k. K means what? Increment of y. So this is 1 by 6 k1 plus 4 k4. K4 required. Yes, k1 plus 4 k4 plus k3, and then y1 equal to y naught plus 1 by 6 k1 plus 4 k4 plus k3. K4 is required here because we calculate this. And next one will be what? You see, this is one question I have given. Same you will apply. Use Runge's formula here, third order. Okay, and find the approximate value of y when x equal to 1.1, and solve the differential equation dy dx equal to x minus y subject to y equal to 1 when x equal to 1. So here you see, here our aim to find out the value of what? Value of, this is y of actually 1.1. Okay, so y of 1.1, find the value of y of 1.1. So here you see function of xy is x minus y. H value is what? H value is 0.1, because you see y of x, so y of x is what? 1.1. So this is y of x naught plus h. So x naught is what? 1 value. Y naught value is what? 1 value. So x naught plus h will be what? 1 1 plus 0.1. So each value is 0.1. Similarly, same as the fourth order, how to find out the value of each. And you substitute the value of K2, K1, K2, K3, K4, you will get the value. And finally, you see, I have written y of 0.1. So this is not y of 0.1. This is the value of y of 1.1. You correct this one, y of 1.1. Clear, Arvas? Solution you will see y of 1.1. Everyone you will correct this one. Okay, and next I have given one question you will try to solve, Gauss elimination method, because this is the important question, because maximum time ask question. One question you will get from Gauss elimination. Okay, so from this may be variable, may be either x y z or x1 y1 and z1 or x1 x2 x3. Okay, depending upon this you will solve as earlier. And next value is same as 4 variable present, you will solve. And another one, next question you see, apply Runge Kutta fourth order method, find y of 1.2 and y of 1.3. Given that dy dx equal to x plus y and y of 1 equal to 1. This is given. So y of 1 equal to 1 means what? Y of x naught equal to y naught. So x naught value is 1, y naught value is also 1. And our aim is find out the value of y of 1.2. So y of 1.2 means what? You see how to find out the value of y of 1.2. X naught is 1. Next our find 1.2. So x naught is 1, you mark 1.2. So here h value will be what? 1 to 1.2. What will be the value of h increment? If you add 0.2, then this is 1.2. So this is h value is 0.2. And next one is y of 1.3. This next for next iteration, how to calculate this one will be 0.1 means 1.2 to 1.3. What will be the value? 0.1. You will see Runge Kutta fourth order method. You find when y of 1.2, h value is 0.2. Then next for the next iteration, h value is 0.1. That type of problem I have given. Okay, clear this one? Question or not? Jonale and Arbaz. Yes. Then next one is also this. Apply Runge Kutta method. Find y of 0.3 in two steps. Two steps means what? Y of 0 equal to 1 means x naught equal to 0, and this is y naught is 1. So our aim to find out y of 0.3, and here underline this one. Two steps means what? X naught is, you mention this is x naught is 0. So 0 to 3, two steps required. So this one will be 0.15, again 0.15. So h value first you consider 0.15, and again h value is 0.15, because here mentioned two steps. If not mentioned, then you can write directly this one will be 0.3. Clear? And next you see one question you will try to solve. I have given in your class. I have given or not this one. One question is the value of sin x are given below for different values of x. Form a difference table, and from this table find sin 32 degree. Okay, so you see actually what happened, we know the standard result of the trigonometry means what? Sin 0 we know, sin 30 degree we know, sin 45 degree we know means 1 by root 2, like this. Okay, sin 30 degree we know, then sin 60 degree. So here our aim to find out the value of sin 32 degree. Okay, and this is solved by numerical analysis method. Okay, so means which method is suitable here. So sin 32 degree, if we write, then you will get one value. In calculator, sin 32 degree, then you will get. And this gives, after solving by numerical analysis, we get also one value. And this is approximate equal. Okay, not exactly equal, but approximately you will get. So here you see how to solve this one. This one means x degree, x in degree given. 30 degree, 35, 40 degree, 45, 50 degree, 55. And y value is given also this one. So how to solve this one? Arvas, which method apply? Ishita, those who present, Ishita, Nihal, then Shudeep. How to solve this? X value degree, just you say x is 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and y value is also given. Our aim to find out sin 32 degree. Degree, just you forget for this solution, only sin 32 degree. So how to solve? Which method we apply? You say almost over this one, syllabus almost cover numerical analysis. If you have any doubt, then you can ask related this topic. Parisena Ulago, Ishita.
Yes, sir.
This one how to solve? Which formula we apply here? X value is 30, then 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Corresponding y values are given. Our aim to find out the value of 32. So, Arbas, yeah, yeah. No. This one we can easily. Acha, here you see 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Okay. So here increments are what? All are equal. Okay. So this one is what? Equal interval. So equal interval where you get? In the first class I have given. In interpolation technique, na? We solve it by interpolation. 32 is within the table, so we use here what? Interpolation method. So which interpolation? Here equal interval, yes, Newton's forward interpolation. 32 degree is beginning of the table, so 32, you see 32 35 is 32. Here degree is given, no problem. When you write in answer, then this gives us in degree. Sin 32 degrees value is this one. So 32 means what? This gives us a, you apply here Newton's forward interpolation. Okay. So, and next you see, find the, given the following table, find f of x, hence find f of 6. I have given this note, I have sent in your WhatsApp. Okay. So, those who have not written, you will copy this one and then you will see. Those who have written, then okay, you see this one. Then f of 6 means what? You find out this one from the given table f of x, hence find, you correct this one, f of this value, hence find f of 0.6, f of 0.6, f of 0.6, then answer will be maybe different. Answer may be different. And again, I have given one question f of 1.02, having this one, x values are given, fx values are given, you find it. So this one will be f of 1. This is also you use here Newton's forward interpolation. Okay, so you will see, and this question also you can solve given the following table, find f of x and hence find f of 6. You apply here, actually this is extrapolation. Okay, so you will solve it by Lagrange's method. Okay, Lagrange's method you can solve. So this is right 0.6, not 6, because extrapolation technique is not included in your syllabus, so you will write 0.6. Next, you see, you write the question, short type question, because in your assignment or exam also maybe short type question ask 10 question from objective type question. So all of you are ready, you write. So ready, you write the question. In Simpson's 1/3 rule, you write the question. In Simpson's 1/3 rule, the curve CURV, the curve y of f of x, the curve y equal to f of x is assumed to be a, is assumed to be a so number A circle, number B parabola, number C hyperbola, and number D, none of this. Again, you see in Simpson's one-third rule, the curve y equal to f of x is assumed to be a number A circle, number B parabola, number C hyperbola, and number D none of this. So which one is correct? Simpson's one-third rule represent what? What type of equation? Shankana present or absent? Absent. Arvas, which option is correct? This is important question. Ishita, then Vikram. Good. So this represent parabola. You will remember Simpson's one-third rule. This always represent equation of a parabola. Or you see that question may be in option may be changed. Here given first one may be okay circle. Second one will be quadratic equation. And third one remains same, fourth is same. So parabola represent the equation of degree 2, means second degree equation is also called the parabola. Okay, so option is this may be changed written here. This may be quadratic equation. So also this is correct. Okay, so next question you write. These are the objective type question. So write trapezoidal rule. Next question. Trapezoidal rule for evaluation of trapezoidal rule for evaluation of integration a to b f of x dx. Integration a to b f of x dx means integration lower limit is a, upper limit is b, then f of x dx requires the interval a comma b in first bracket a comma b coordinate a comma b bracket close to be divided into so write number a twice n 2n n small n 2n subintervals of equal width 2n subintervals of equal width width number b 2n plus 1 2n plus 1 subintervals of equal width width 2n then plus 1 not in suffix. Okay, 2n then plus 1 means 2n plus 1 subintervals of equal width then number c any number of intervals number c any number of subintervals of equal width number d none of these Number D, none of this. So you see in trapezoidal rule, so sub interval will be what? Always you'll remember when we solve the problem using trapezoidal rule, then this should be always any number of sub interval you consider. Equal width of you consider. Any number of sub intervals of equal width. Okay. So option C is correct. But you see, here if Simpson's one-third rule, then always this is even number. Means twice and sub-interval of equal width. Okay, seems in here mentioned Simpson's one-third rule, then this is twice. Next you write one question. Write one note. This is short type question. Geometrically, write note. Geometrically, trapezoidal formula is the area of a trapezium. Geometrically, trapezoidal rule or formula is the area of a trapezium. TRAPEZI. Sometimes ask this one short type question. Next, you write in Newton-Raphson method. In Newton-Raphson method, comma, convergence is of quadratic order. Convergence is of quadratic order. Or order of convergence of Newton-Raphson method is 2. Sometime ask question, what is the order of convergence of Newton-Raphson method? You write 2 or quadratic. Order of convergence of Newton-Raphson method is 2. And next note, in Newton-Raphson method, rate of convergence equal to so you give modulus symbol, this one, determinant symbol you give modulus. So in numerator you write f double dash of alpha. Alpha means root divided by 2 f dash of alpha. 2 twice f dash of alpha means rate of convergence equal to determinant. Then in numerator you write f double dash means double derivative. F double dash of alpha. Alpha means root. You write f double dash of a or b or c, etc. So here written alpha is the root. So f double dash of alpha divided by 2 f dash, first derivative, f dash alpha. Clear? So sometime means what in short type question ask in Newton-Raphson method, write the rate of convergence. Okay, Newton-Raphson method, write the rate of convergence. ঠিক আছে নে, বুঝি পাইছা নে? আরবাস, ভাগ্যশ্রী, Danishita.
Yes, sir.
Then write one question. You will try to solve this. This is the last question. If we'll try to solve, if f of x equal to, if f of x equal to 2x cube, f of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 10. Again you see, if f of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 10. Okay, stop. Then show that delta to the power 3 f of x equal to, then show that delta to the power 3, delta means forward delta. In Newton's forward interpolation we have written delta, this delta. So delta power 3, delta cube f of x equal to 12. Delta cube f of x equal to 12. So you try to solve this. Okay. So clear this one, everyone? তো সলভ করবে এখানে মোটামুটি সিলেবাস কভারই হয়েছে, যেখানে আসলে almost cover this one, means numerical analysis, and for 10 portion I have given some notes and definition I have given. You will see this one. Okay, so you will solve this problem today. I have given also discuss, and those problem I have given you will try to solve. Okay, so thank you everyone. কারো কিবা ডাউট আছে নাকি?
Sir, so that day you gave us some questions. What will be the answer, or what is shift operator?
Shift operator. Means
Yes.
what is shift? So just you write the definition shift operator.
So you just gave us that E means shift operator.
E means shift operator. Then what is the formula of E?
1 plus delta.
1 plus delta, or any other formula? E to the power n f of x.
F of x plus nh.
F of x plus nh. This
nh.
is yes, this one. And shift operator, you see, sometime ask question, what is the relation between shift operator and forward difference operator? Then you write this one, delta and forward delta and E. And sometime ask question, write the relation between means what or simply given, define shift operator or what is shift operator. Then you write e to the power n f of x. Then you will not write e equal to what, this is one, e equal to what, 1 plus delta. You will not write shift of this is actually the relation shift operator and forward difference operator. And when mention define or what is shift operator, then you will write this formula. There means this e to the power this formula you will write. Clear this one?
Okay, sir.
So clear? Okay, so thank you. Okay, or any doubt? আছে নাকি কারোর? So okay, thank you. So next class I shall discuss some related means objective type question. I shall give objective type question. Okay. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.